Welcome to Miller Online tutorial, and before us we have to solve this quadratic equation, okay? And I won't be using the factorization method because looking at this, the factorization method will probably end up having a -4, -6, okay? Alright, however, I won't be using the quadratic formula, and neither will I be using the completing the square method. I'll be using another method. Actually, I've done the previous video on this. So now, considering this 10, the sum, making use of the sum here. Okay, so take note. We have to arrive at this x, let's say, plus a into x plus what? B equals 0. So our goal now is to find a and b. Okay, now first of all, here we have the sum here to be -10. Alright, first of all, what we need to do is divide the -10 by 2. Okay, so any number you have here, first divide it by 2. So, and that is -5, right? Okay, now, which means -5 plus -5 will give us what? -10. Now, if I choose to move away from this, then definitely I'll be moving closer to this, which implies that if I should probably take away 1 from here, I have -6 now, plus, and add 1 to here, I have -4. We still end up having what? -10. Now, approach this way. Take from these two equal parts, -5 minus, let me see, m, which is the constant, now plus -5 plus m must give us what? -10. So which means no matter how you remove this constantly, you always arrive at what? -10. So these are the two terms in which when you add, irrespective if you are moving away from this or you are getting closer to this, we give you -10. And these two terms, when multiplied, must give you what? +24, which means -5 minus m times -5 plus m must give us what? 24. Now, considering here now terms of the difference of 2 squared, okay, so which implies this is -5 all squared, then minus m all squared equals what? 24. Now this will give us what? 25, okay, minus m squared equals what? 24, right? Okay, making m squared is the formula. You have 25 minus 24 equals m squared, right? So our m squared will now give us what? 1, giving us that m will now be plus or minus the square root of what? 1, which implies that m equals what? Plus or minus 1. So from here now, you can now get the terms, okay, which is more a and b. So here we have m, so you can either make use of the plus or the minus value. So I want to use the plus. So here we have -5 minus 1, plus -5 plus 1. So this will give us -6, now plus -4, which will give us minus, right? And here -5 minus 1 into -5 plus 1. This one should give us -6 and -4, giving us what? 24. So -6 minus 4. So here we have x minus 6 into x minus 4. So x equals what? 6 or 4. Thank you and God bless you.